Importance of protecting coral reefs. Imagine a vibrant underwater city teeming with life, color, and breathtaking beauty. That's a coral reef. This underwater ecosystem and vital to our planet, but they facing a crisis. Today I want to talk about why protecting coral reefs is crucial for our future. Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea because of their incredible biodiversity. They support a quarter of all marine life, providing habitats for countless fish, invertebrates, and other creatures. The biodiversity isn't just ethically pleasing, it's essential for the health of our oceans. Coral reefs protect coastlines from erosion and even contribute to new medicines. But these vital ecosystems are under severe threat. Climate change is causing ocean warming and acidification, leading to coral bleaching and death. Pollution from plastic, chemical, and agricultural runoff further damages reef. Overfishing disrupts the delicate balance of the reef's ecosystem. These threats are causing widespread coral reef decline with devastating consequences. The loss of coral reef means the loss of biodiversity, impacting food security, tourism, and coastal protection. We can't afford stand by and watch this incredible ecosystem disappear. Protecting coral reefs requires a global effort. We need to reduce our carbon footprint to combat climate change, improve waste management to reduce pollution, and promote sustainable fishing practices. Even small actions, they're reducing our plastic consumption and supporting organizations dedicated to reef conservation can make a difference. Let's work together to safeguard this underwater wonders for generations to come. The future of our ocean and indeed our planet depends on it. Thank you.